Well, hello guys and girls out there, wherever you are. Welcome to another totally random video. And in today's video, I want to show you this little pinball machine right here. You probably already know about it because there's tons of videos about this thing on eBay or on YouTube. So this is the Atomic Arcade Pinball. And I'm doing this video because even though there is a lot of videos about this thing, I didn't see any video showing you what is going on the inside. How does this thing actually work? And that's exactly what I want to do right now, because this one, it's still the one from my childhood and it didn't work. And I want to show you what I had to do in order to fix it and just show you how this thing actually works, because it's quite interesting, because it works completely different than a normal real full-sized pinball machine. So of course the first thing we have to do is we have to take off the playfield, which is held by this screw that is sitting right here. And I don't know why they decided to use a normal screw instead of one of those, I don't know, what are they called? Flat top screws or something like this. So they used one with a round head or a round top. But yeah, whatever. And by the way, I really like this play field. I mean, if you would frame that, it would also look good in a gaming room or something like this. So I really like that. Yeah, and this is what it looks like on the inside. As you can tell, we have a lot of wheels and gears and what are those things called? Rods? Something like that. Yeah, completely different compared to early mechanic or solid state pinball machines. So one problem that I had was I had a loose contact, and that was due to the fact that this plastic right here was broken. So this is where the batteries are. So there was a loose contact between this metal plate and the battery that is sitting inside here. And another problem that I had is the motor was running, but whenever I hit a bumper, nothing happened. And that's due to the fact that we have this motor right here, and this little gear moved a little bit too far towards this side, so there wasn't any contact between this gear and this gear, and I just had to push it back in, and now it works perfectly fine. So as you can see, we have all this stuff that is spinning and turning right here, and we have those little plastic things and those things that are holding it in place so that it can't spin. But when the ball hits the bumper, it lowers that and it allows this one to spin, and then it goes all the way over here, and then we have this thing that is then spinning, then this thing is spinning, and then it goes all the way over here to the counter. And that probably already tells us that it doesn't matter what kind of bumper you hit, they all score exactly the same. Which, yeah, I wish they would have done a second one or something else where it doesn't matter, but, or where it does matter actually. And we can also see that the first is actually a very big wheel, so it's always the same score. So the first 3 digits are always the same. So I thought that these 3 numbers or digits would also be separated like this one, but no, apparently they are not. So let's just turn it on and see how it looks like in action. See? That's the problem. Again, it slipped. But I have to do something. I have to change. I have to probably put a little bit of glue right here so that it doesn't slip anymore. But yeah, that's the problem. But yeah, it is really quite interesting, isn't it? So yeah, maybe if somebody finds one of those things on eBay and maybe it's broken, maybe now you know what to expect and you can decide yourself if you are capable of fixing it or not. I don't know how likely it is that one of those plastic things is broken. I don't know. But yeah, this is the Atomic Arcade Pinball from the inside. And it's quite interesting. So that's it. Thanks for watching and I see you in the next totally random video. Bye!